Nestled between the mighty planets of Mars and Jupiter, lies a mysterious and captivating region known as the Asteroid Belt. This vast expanse of space is home to countless celestial objects, ranging from small rocky fragments to colossal asteroids. The asteroid belt has intrigued scientists and space enthusiasts for centuries, and its enigmatic nature continues to spark curiosity and inspire exploration. In this video, we will embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries that reside within the asteroid belt and uncover the secrets of this intriguing cosmic neighborhood. What is a celestial collision course? The asteroid belt, stretching across millions of kilometers, is a remnant of the early solar system's turbulent past. It is believed that the belt is composed of debris left over from the formation of our solar system, approximately 4.6 billion years ago. The prevailing theory suggests that the gravitational forces of Jupiter's immense size prevented the formation of a planet between Mars and Jupiter, leading to the accumulation of countless rocky bodies. Now let's understand the diversity within. While the popular image of the asteroid belt often portrays it as a cluttered minefield of rocks, the reality is far more diverse and complex. The asteroids within the belt come in various sizes, shapes, and compositions. Some are small and irregularly shaped, resembling rubble piles held together by weak gravitational forces. Others are more massive, with distinctive shapes and even their own moons. Scientists have classified asteroids into different groups based on their characteristics, such as composition, reflectivity, and spectral signatures, further adding to the intrigue of the asteroid belt. Explore the origin. One of the key mysteries surrounding the asteroid belt is understanding its origins. Scientists believe that the belt's composition holds valuable clues about the early solar system and the processes that led to the formation of planets. By studying the composition of asteroids, scientists can gain insights into the materials present during the solar system's birth, helping us piece together the puzzle of our cosmic origins. Hunting for water. Water, the essential building block of life as we know it, has been a focus of scientific interest within the asteroid belt. Recent discoveries have revealed that some asteroids contain significant amounts of water ice locked within their interiors. This finding raises intriguing possibilities for future space exploration and resource utilization. Asteroids rich in water could potentially serve as stepping stones for deep space missions, providing valuable resources for sustenance, fuel, and life support systems. Is it a threat or opportunity? The asteroid belt has garnered attention not only for its mysteries, but also for its potential impact on Earth. While Hollywood may have dramatized the threat of a cataclysmic asteroid collision, the reality is that most asteroids in the belt pose no immediate danger. However, the study of the asteroid belt is crucial in developing strategies to detect, track, and potentially mitigate the risk posed by near-Earth asteroids. Moreover, the belt presents an opportunity for future space exploration missions, serving as a stepping stone for further voyages into the outer reaches of our solar system. The asteroid belt, occupying the vast expanse between Mars and Jupiter, remains an enthralling cosmic enigma. Its diverse collection of rocky bodies, the remnants of our solar system's birth, continue to fascinate astronomers and scientists alike. Through ongoing research and space exploration missions, we inch closer to unraveling the mysteries that lie within this celestial neighborhood. From unraveling the origins of the solar system to uncovering potential resources for future space exploration, the asteroid belt offers a wealth of knowledge and possibilities. As our understanding deepens, so does our sense of wonder, reminding us of the boundless mysteries that the universe holds, waiting to be discovered. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.